just arrived and now we're here at Orange Isle. Our tour guide give us an hour of free time to roam around the isle. Orange Isle is located at Xiang River in Changsha, Hunan, China. It has 5 kilometers in length and 150 meters wide, with a total area of 370,900 square meters. And it was open from 7 a.m. to 10 p.m. Orange Isle have many attractions such as Hunan Culture Corridor, Water Amusement, Orange Garden, Park of Harmonious Guests, plazas, gym center, resorts, and wild parks. This park also known for the famous 32 meters tall statue of Youth Mao Zedong, who is the founder of the PRC's establishment. We're going to the entrance of the park now, and our tour guide, Miss Helen, is accompanying us. There's a restaurant here. I can't read it, but it seems delicious. That's the entrance. There's a lot of people visiting the park. There's another store.
Store. It's a princess. Ah, pwede pala umakyat din, oh. Where's our leader? We're lost. Asan na ba sila? O, susunod tayo.
We're going to the nearest place we can walk. Unfortunately, we can't walk the whole place due to limited time. Wow, this place is magnificent. The view is amazing and the river was clean.
Tayo sa Orange Island. So this is our water cities.
maraming taong mamasyal dito. Maraming Pilipino din, marami rin na parang mga Chinese. I don't know kung Taiwanese sila or taga Hong Kong. And then parang may nakikita ko mga Korean. Medyo nagmamadali na kami kasi anong oras na. Binigyan na kami ng 1 hour para mag-ikot. Yan. Diba? Tunay na nasa China na ako. You don't want to buy your ano you want? Dito ba? Dito ba ang tayan? Dito kami pininong entrance sa exit. May sensor? Parang may sensor lang. Yan, ito yung London Bridge. So, parang old style na bridge. Malaking arc na merong mga poste din sa support. So,
That building also restrooms. Luckily, it's the time where monorail pass by here. If you look into it, it's a very efficient train, less costly
Wow.
compared to the train.
It's a mono train.
Track, which is very costly. Okay, it's time to dive in our lunch. This is steamed fish. It's like a simple scrambled egg, but not free shrimp. There's also beer, soft drinks, and tea at the table. Braised pork, which is famous here. Steamed shrimp with sauce.